Magandang umaga, magandang hapon at magandang gabi po sa inyong lahat. Po inyong likod, si John Kinay. And today we'll be reviewing this very beautiful, handy, again, handy, very handy Mouser C6, C96, C64. I forgot the original unit, but it's the handy Mouser. See, Mouser! But there's no mouse. Quality. It's ABS construction, but with a very nice matte finish. It feels nice. See? And the fake, what do you call this one? Fake wooden style feels so nice. It's matte. My only problem with matte is that as time goes by, it might feel weird or feels different. So it's case-to-case scenario. Trades, there is no trades other than this Mouser. That's basically it. Nothing. Features, quite a few. It has a fake sights that's non-adjustable. They should have just made this one movable like the ones in the AKs, but this one is fixed. See, one piece. And there's a retracting bolt. See. And most probably this contains kids. Well, this is a kids blaster. Kids gearbox, because this one is very familiar. See, this style there. And its barrel is up to here, which is surprising considering this is all plastic. The battery is in this area, which is non-upgradable and friction fit. See, battery. This is not 11.1. Even though it says 11.1 volt, it's a 7.4 battery. So again, do not mix the charger for this one to other chargers. You will kill the battery. Ask me how I know. Deads. Because of the charger. And since this is common, it's easy to find opening this up and changing the battery. But again, your replacement will be very hard. And for some reason, there's a red ribbon here. I don't know why. What's the reason for this one? If someone in the comment section can explain what this symbolizes, I'll give you a free hop-up, a 3-inch. Limit to one customer only. It has a, oops, it's a, not a friction fit, plunger, not plunger, that if you press, it makes the gel go up, unlike it's not a prime mag. So, something to remember. See, this is the original color, and this is the matte finish. See, it looks very nice. Gel capacity, limited. It's basically around here. And this is very thin. So this is an emergency piston. Or for playing around. Weight, nothing. Few grams, 200 grams. So it's very light. It's a kid's toy. FPS, this is surprisingly 103 FPS, which is stronger than my earlier kids ones. So this is stronger than this one. Not to mention, it has a better battery. And the range, believe it or not, if you arc the unit here, it will reach my 10 unit mark from this location. So on the box, just a very beautiful box. Shiny. Nice picture. See, there's a ribbon. Very nice box. And here, chargeable battery. I don't know what this means. I thought this was a HAPA but doesn't work. 14 and above. I don't know what this means. But it looks nice. Shiny. Me and the shiny things. Price? It's currently 1,500 on Hydro Blasters MNL page. As far as I know, they are the only one selling it right now. Link in the description. Overall, if you're a cosplayer, this is the cheapest mouser you can buy in the market that works. See, full auto. And super coating board. So when it comes to cosplaying, looks nice. Even though there's no not what do you call that one? Tappet plate, no anti-reverse latch, so that happens. The reverse spin, but it's fine, it's cheap. Overall, if you're a cosplayer, this is very nice. If you're just a collector, still nice. I wanted to have a not a airsoft version of this one, but again, this is very rare and no one is selling, so I'm really happy to get this one, and considering it's cheap, no brainer. It's nice. Anywho, if you have any questions, suggestions, violent reactions, just put it down in the comment section down below and I'll answer it as soon as possible. Hanggang sa muli, paalam! Ching! Hand cannon.